Welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you the price action to expect in the next coming hours, and also share out my next trade setup here on the Gala Games chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. I also have a chart pattern here on the 1-hour chart, which is supposed to give us a massive breakout to the upper side in the next coming hours. And this is the chart pattern that is going to give me my next trade setup here on the Gala Games chart. And here on the Gala Games chart, you can see that on the 10th of June, we saw this massive breakdown in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01777 mark. And afterwards, that massive breakdown was bought up here on the charts, and you can see that we have been seeing much of a consolidation. And within this consolidation, we have also seen the formation of a double top, which is a chart pattern that breaks to the upper side. And you can see that we have our common lows at around the $0.018 mark, and I can highlight that here on the charts. And you can see that the move on the 17th of June, that is on the 17th of August, gave us the first low over here. Then we saw the neckline giving us a high at around the $0.02053 mark, then the second low, and right now we are seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side. And there are high chances that Gala Games is going to continue gearing up in the next coming hours and give us a break above the neckline at around the $0.02 mark, and a break above that neckline that I have here on the charts, maybe with a successful retest. Then we can easily see a massive breakout here on the Gala Games chart, and the minimum target areas for the breakout can be given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. So using a trend line, I can be able to get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area for the breakout at around the $0.02247 mark. And that is the minimum that you can expect Gala Games to do to the upper side once you see the breakout. And getting to the trade setup that I have here on the charts, I have a trade having my limit orders at around the $0.02057 mark. That is where I want to open my trade. Once you see a break above the neckline, having my first target areas for the breakout at around the $0.02245 mark. And that is the trade that I want to have here on the Gala Games chart, and this is not financial advice. And for the stop loss, I'm just placing my stop loss below the lows that we made on the 17th of August, because I don't want to see Gala Games continuing further breakdown, losing those lows that we made on the 17th of August. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Gala Games chart on the short term, and that is my next trade setup. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 63 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.